Click on the Contacts icon, and then click on Import. The easiest way to get all of your contacts into Quentn is with a CSV file. This can often be provided or saved from a previous contacts list. Choose the file to upload here and select the field delimiter, that is, the character that appears between the names, addresses, and other contact info in the CSV file. Once your file has been uploaded, you'll be asked to map the CSV's columns to Quentn's contact fields. This is how Quentn will know what's an email address, what's a first name, what's a zip code, and so on. Next, you'll fill out a form to let Quentn know where all of these contacts have come from and how you plan to use them. All of these questions are required and help show that everything is above board and not part of a scam. We know it looks like a lot of check boxes, but it's important and you should get through them pretty quickly. Once you've filled out the form, click Finish. Now you can see all of the contacts you've imported here on the All Contacts tab.